Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a simple DIY that can help you with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the main ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be a 1/4 cup of plantain leaf. Plantain leaf is a flowery plant, also known as a common weed, that is a part of the plantain family. It is known by numerous names such as English plantain, lamb's tongue, and also buckhorn. Plantain leaf are packed with high levels of vitamin C, which helps your hair health in a few ways. It helps the scalp have proper circulation to encourage new growth by supporting the follicles. It also helps the body to absorb iron, which is needed not only for new growth, but also hair retention to keep the follicle strong. And then you're going to need 1 cup of carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil that you would like. I'm going to be using olive oil. Olive oil is a very good source of antioxidants. It's best to promote scalp health. Olive oil improves blood flow to the hair follicles, and the follicles are in turn stimulated to grow thicker strands of hair. So now I'm just going to place all the ingredients into a mason jar.
What we do here is go back.
Next, I'm going to be placing the mason jar into a pot of warm water. The stove is set in between medium to low heat, which is about 100 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If you choose not to do the stove option, you can also do the same method using a crock pot. And then also, if you choose not to use heat whatsoever, you can also do the cold infusion process, which is you'll just leave the mason jar on a countertop or in a cabinet, and you'll just let it infuse for about 2 to 4 weeks. So after about 2 hours, I went ahead and removed the mason jar from the warm water and I let it cool down. Now, if you want, you can have the infusion process be longer than 2 hours. I would suggest not going over 5 hours. So now I'm just going to strain the oil so that way I could place the oil into an applicator bottle so that way it's easier to apply to the hair. You can use this oil several different ways. One way that you can use it is by adding a couple of teaspoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner and then applying the conditioner all over your hair. Let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour or however long you keep your deep conditioner in, and then rinse out as usual. Or you can place the oil all over your hair and scalp as a hot oil treatment, and then just let it sit on your hair for about 30 minutes, and then you can shampoo it out. And also you can use it as a scalp oil. Just apply it all over your scalp like you would do any hair growth oil. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Also, make sure that you do a patch test on your skin so that way you can ensure that you won't get any irritations on your scalp. Also, the last way that you can use this oil is by using it as a sealant. So after you applied a leave-in cream or butter or maybe a leave-in spray, you could go ahead and use this oil to seal in the moisture. The shelf life of this oil is about 8 to 12 months. Make sure that you keep it in a dry, cool area of your home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to head over to CoralLily.com. Our Artivata hair growth butter does contain plantain leaf. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.